Oh my god. My hair is under my... What? Whoa. Oh my gosh. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a rice water length check video. I haven't done a length check in quite some time. I've just been focused on keeping my hair healthy, making sure it's strengthened, making sure it's growing, doing a lot of protective styles and stuff. So I've just been more focused on my hair health and not too much the length. So I haven't done a length check in a while, and to me I didn't see much of a difference, but as y'all know, you can really tell the difference of your hair when you compare it to like your other videos, or when you actually take the time out to measure it, then you could see that you get like a significant difference. So I'm going to be measuring my hair today before I put in my protective style. I'm probably doing some other videos for you guys while my hair is still out before I do another style. Okay, so I think normally I measure my hair, the front, above my ear, and the back, so that's how I'm going to be doing it. So I'm going to start with the back, and I'm using my dirty husband's not my dirty husband, my dirty tape measure that belongs to my husband. It's kind of old, but nonetheless, let's hope it'll do the job. It'll do the trick. So if I wanted to get like an accurate measurement, I would probably want to like flat iron my hair, or at least blow dry it out. But my hair is not blow dried because, as y'all know, I've been heatless for over 2 years now. I'm not using the blow dryer anymore, so I'm not gonna be using the blow dryer. So I'm just going to be measuring my hair. So it's still kind of like coily. And guess what? My hair is finally under my boob. It's finally under. Major growth. Whole snaparachi. Okay, I'm getting 18 inches, and it's not even like straight. So I know if I was to straighten it, that's pretty much where it would probably be, 18, 19 inches. But for right now, in its almost curly state, it's at 18 inches to the back. I'm going to do over my ears. Oh my gosh, I should brush this out. Yikes. Let me brush it out a little bit. This is over my hair. Over my hair. Looks like 12 and a half. What's this? Oh, my bad. That's 15. Yeah. That's 15, 16. That's 16. It looks like a 12. Okay, that's 16 inches over my ears. To the front. And brush it. Okay, so to the front. To the front, it looks like 18 inches to the front. And I'm guessing this side is probably the same. Yeah, this side is the same. Because it doesn't look, yeah, it's the same. So this is 18. So it looks like it's pretty much 18 inches all around. Over my ears, look like it's probably like 16. Because the hair was 16, so. Yeah, over my ears is 16. So that's it. That's it for my length check video. I'm going to leave, I'm going to do another video right after this one where I talk about like how to grow your hair. A lot of you have seen my ways of growing my hair. So a lot of y'all probably already seen that video, but I'm just going to do it again because every time I do these videos, I have like a whole new set of viewers. So for my loyal subscribers, I hope you guys don't mind, but yeah. So after this, I'm going to be doing like a video on how I grew my hair, what my hair looked like before, if I could find pictures. I think I can, and all of that good stuff. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, this is my lunch check video. I don't know if I could get my hair past 18 inches. Like, I don't know. I could try. I could try to see if I could get my hair to 20 inches. I'm going to be, I don't know. Let's see. Maybe this year it'll get to 20 inches. I don't know, because I never thought it would get to 18. And here it is, 18 inches. So yeah, so stay tuned for that next video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys. Bye.